are reporting from T Nagar in Chennai, where the excitement is already palpable for the Prime Minister's roadshow, which will, of course, begin in a short while from now. Prime Minister, of course, is undertaking a 1.5 kilometer roadshow here in Chennai, in the heart of Chennai city, campaigning for Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan, who is the BJP's candidate for South Chennai, a prestigious seat which is seeing a three-cornered fight between the AIADMK, the DMK and the BJP, and the Prime Minister, of course, leaving no stone unturned to campaign for the party's candidate. And that is the reason why massive arrangements being made here in Chennai for the Prime Minister's roadshow. A lot of colour, a lot of excitement, and heavy security ring as well by the police department. And this, of course, is the shopping area of Chennai. This is the busiest shopping spots in the city, and you can see the kind of security arrangements that have been put in place. On any given day, this place is extremely crowded, but today, of course, the entire space has been emptied out. Only BJP workers, supporters and people who want to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister will be allowed, and that too after massive security checks. And for the Prime Minister, the BJP also leaving no stone unturned. They want to give him a grand welcome. And across the stretch of the road where the Prime Minister will be undertaking the roadshow, a lot of, art performances being put up to show the Prime Minister the culture, the art and the heritage of Tamil Nadu that he keeps talking about as well. So this, of course, with just days left for the elections in Tamil Nadu, the BJP star campaigner Prime Minister Modi is coming to ground, to campaign for the party's candidates to ensure that in 2024 the BJP registers a historic performance in the Dravidian land. So we are here in T Nagar, where the Prime Minister's roadshow is just about to begin in a short while from now. There's a lot of excitement, a lot of colours, celebration. Everyone's gathering around to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister when he arrives. And joining me is this gentleman. Look at the speed at which he's tying this turban. And I've not seen something like this. It's quite fast. And I think in a matter of seconds, he's just finished tying that turban. Okay, so he's kept it for me, and in a matter of 2-3 seconds, I think he's finished tying up that turban. भैया आपका नाम क्या है, कहाँ से हो?
जय पन्नालाल शर्मा।
इतना कैसा सीखा आपने इतने तेजी से?
हमारे पिताजी हमको सिखाए।
अच्छा, कितने टर्बन बना सकते हो आप 1 मिनट में?
1 मिनट में 5 पीस बनाता हूँ।
5?
वर्ल्ड
चैलेंज करें आपको?
हाँ, चैलेंज है।
Okay, I'll count. हम देखते हैं कितना सेकंड।
पक्का 5 जने आके खड़े होंगे तो मैं बांध के दूंगा आपको।
1, 2,
5 जने खड़े रहना, फिर बांध के।
नहीं, एक का कितना टाइम लगेगा हम देखेंगे, ठीक है? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 seconds. So he tied the turban in 15 seconds. So this is the kind of excitement on ground. आप लोग बताइए आप कहाँ से आए हो? हाँ, आप कहाँ से आए हो?
I am from Delhi, but I am in Chennai.
Okay, why have you come here?
I come to stay here because
Why have you come here now?
I like Modi.
You like Modi?
He is the only leader of our nation today. He has done lot of things for the country. The people should vote for him. I am for Modi. All the persons, those who know about our country, about the progress, they should vote for Modi.
मैडम आप बताइए आप बताइए आप कहाँ से हो?
We are Modi Parivar.
Okay.
Belong to Modi. Chennai se.
You want to see Prime Minister return to power for the third time?
100%. He will be. Certainly. Next time also he will be the Prime Minister.
Not 2024, you're saying the next 5 years.
Also he will be there. 100%.
You want everything for Modi.
Clearly, there's a lot of support for the Prime Minister amongst this group. They're all excited, and you also saw the manner in which that person tied that turban. So this is the kind of mood on ground here in Chennai. Ahead of the Prime Minister's visit, he'll be campaigning for the South Chennai candidate of the BJP, Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan. With just days left for the elections, the Prime Minister, the BJP star campaigner, leaving no stone unturned to ensure that the BJP puts up a historic performance this time around. With video journalist Daniel, this is Shilpa Nair for India Today.